girl, start back it up. Every girl, start back it up. Every girl, start back it up. Start back it up.
Girl, me did tell you, me in love with you. Hear everything, girl. Married you. I woulda rub down your body, pretty girl. Spend time with you. I woulda climb a tree just to see you. Where you a wine, pretty girl, feel like me want wine by you. You over here, so when you over this attention, me a feel for you. My girl, just do what you a do. My girl, just do what you a do. My girl, just do what you a do. Hey girl, just do what you a do. Back it up, girl, do what you a do. Back it up, girl, do what you a do. Get mad, girl, do what you a do. Hey girl, just do what you a do.
Every girl, start back it up. 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 Come on, start back it up. Every girl, start back it up. Every girl, start back it up. Every girl, start back it up.
Where you make me feel tonight, feel like me go and sing for you. Hey, girl, you make me ask for beat every time me see you. Hey girl, that style let me like. Me nah leave 'cause the vibes that's alright. Take a kick up, me jack you up all night.
The pregnancy came out positive, and my husband's not even the father, it's his cousin. How am I supposed to tell him this? Oh goodness, let me call Portia. Matter of fact, I need a drink. Bitch, where you at?
Out in the fucking door. Why?
You wouldn't believe what I just got.
What is? Tell me.
I have a pregnancy test and it says it's positive.
What the fuck?
And I don't know who the daddy is.
Oh,
it's not my husband,
God.
I know that for sure, because we don't do shit.
So, how you gonna explain this shit?
I don't know. I'll just act like it's his for now until I figure something out.
Bitch, you better pin that shit on your husband for now.
Well, I need a drink. Can you come over?
Where you at?
I'm at the house. Come get me, actually, because I need to talk to you, and I don't want nobody to hear what we got to say.
I'll be to you about the next 30 minutes. You know it takes me a little minute to get to you.
Okay, and bring 2 bottles. Bring 2 bottles.
You pregnant, eh?
Girl, I don't know if I'm keeping this baby. Just come on, man. I need some help right now.
Well, 30 minutes. I'm going to stop by the store, ABC Liquor, and then I'm on the way.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Where you been at, huh?
How was your flight?
Come back from Africa. No one there to pick me from the airport. I'm gonna ask you one more time. What's going on? You been acting real distant. Calling you from Africa. No reply, no text, no nothing.
I've been busy, and I didn't get any call from you.
Okay. You ain't getting any calls from me. That's interesting.
What's going on with your attitude? You just got back.
My attitude is a reflection of your actions.
I've been going through a lot. I
can see.
don't want to
Who
be
you
bothered.
drinking with?
Well, I was...
You was going through a lot, yeah.
Oh, Portia
Empty
was
car.
here.
Portia, who else?
That's it. Portia.
Yeah. You bare bottles look like more than just
Well,
Portia.
I told you I'm going through a lot, and she came over to talk to me.
Okay. Whatever you say. You think you know it all. I'll let you believe that.
How was your flight?
Better than my welcome. So this is what you want to do? This is how you want to act? Yo, we just got married not too long ago.
Okay, I know that. I've been going through a lot.
You're always going through a lot. It's always you.
And you're not there to listen to me.
What is it to listen to?
You always in Africa.
You don't have no words of purpose.
You always in Africa. You don't make no time for me.
Okay. Whatever you say.
Anyways, I gotta go. Bye.
Going to do about this baby shit?
Bitch, what took you so long?
I told you I was gonna be here in 30 minutes. I had to go to the store.
Well, he just got here, so let me get my purse and let's get out of here.
Oh, bitch, let's go.
Girl, he had just got there. We couldn't say nothing. We had to get out the house.
Yeah, that's why I came to get you, so we can go on out and have a little bit of fun.
And we had an argument. He was like, oh, why you not answering my phone calls? And why the kids up? And I was supposed to pick him up. I totally forgot. Really, I don't even want to be with him no more because he's been so nasty to me. But yeah, girl, I am pregnant.
Pregnant?
I don't know what to do.
I don't know what you're gonna do either. With the cream on. Thanks for the grill.
Yeah, girl, I am pregnant for his cousin.
His close cousin?
Yes. The thing is, it was all an accident. He came over, you know, he was helping me out and, you know, whatever. And we started talking and we got really close. And you know what? Honestly, I think I fall in love with him.
How did you get yourself caught in that sin?
Jordan is never home. And this guy showed me so much affection. He takes me out on dates. And it's not even about the money, because he ain't got none.
But that's his close cousin.
I know, girl. I feel like a slut.
You should. I mean, I would. That's my close cousin.
If he was doing what he was supposed to do as a man and taking care of his wife, then, you know.
But did you have to sleep with his cousin now?
I know.
There's way more much people out here in this whole world and this sleep with this man close
But it was
cousin.
so
They
good.
like this. Now you know they gonna be talking about you and your punani.
Oh, I don't care. He's the only one who can talk to it.
You sure about that, girl? Because they sure both know about that now.
Well, you know what? I need to figure something out. I need to drop Jordan somehow and still get his money. Because I don't love him. I don't want him no more.
Well, in this point in time, I don't know what you're gonna do as a friend. I'm just gonna step back a little bit because ain't nobody finna come around and hurt me
Well,
on
you
this
gonna be
bullshit. Because
godmama?
my friend,
You could be the godmama.
I'm just the best friend. I ain't got nothing else to do
All right,
with
it
nothing.
ain't no joke, but for real, yeah, this is the deal, and I got myself caught up in the situation. I'm not even sure we're gonna keep this baby. Who is that?
Obi, Auntie Obi.
Hey, Auntie.
Hey.
You look so pretty.
Oh, how's my daughter?
I'm not doing too well.
What's going on?
I think me and my husband's gonna get a divorce.
Ah, the devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. God forbid. Hey, let's sit down and have a drink. Hey, I can't believe this. Hey, who are these people? Oh, hi, Portia. Nice to meet you. And you are? Chikim.
He cleans my pool.
Oh, he cleans the pool. He's a pool boy. Hey, good looking. Look at the hair. How do you fancy older woman. Hey, he is cute though. It's over here.
Sorry. Things not working out for us. We've been arguing. We haven't been seeing eye to eye.
Why?
I think he's cheating.
No. Hey.
He's always in Africa.
No, he's on business.
Yeah, but there was a girl that texted, and his phone to be unlocked. Password won't let me get in.
I'm the dog back. So I don't understand. No, my nephew works very hard.
Yes, he does.
Business trip.
Yes.
I don't think there's no other woman or anything like that.
So what explained him that he don't do anything with me? He don't even look at me.
That is not good. I'm going to have to talk to my nephew.
And I'm pregnant.
You what?
I'm pregnant.
You are pregnant, oh?
Yes.
Hey! What are you due?
I don't know. I just took the test.
Oh, that's nice.
But he don't know.
He doesn't know? Why you haven't told him? Why you hiding your pregnancy?
Oh no, he seems too busy.
You got to tell your husband. Hey, come
I
on.
will tell him tonight.
Please.
I'm planning a dinner if he doesn't reject me again.
I don't see a reason for him to reject you. So don't worry yourself. There is nothing that God cannot do. We just take it to prayer. Eh?
I know you always in the Bible stuff.
Hey, I love you. Hey.
Girl, I'm so glad that you came in town, girl. I'm glad you even called me when you got here, girl, because I was on my way out of here.
Really?
But, girl, I was going to call you anyways. But guess what? I got some scoop to tell you, girl.
Give me the tea right now. Give it to me real and raw. The way I like
Last
it.
night, I went out with Sinderella, girl. Guess what?
Thoughting around.
This bitch is pregnant. And guess what?
What?
I'm his cousin, David.
Oh my God, this is gonna break his heart, and I'm probably gonna break her neck.
But guess what? The other scoop is, it's from her sister, undercover lover. Ain't that bitch a sly?
I ain't never heard no shit like that before. Serious, because if you're serious, I'm gonna have to handle this now.
I am dead ass serious, Rachel.
Hey, bro, or you're at Auntie Opie's, right? Yeah, I'm about to pull up on you. I'm 38 hot right now. No, like on some real shit. Like I just found out that Cinderella's messing around with somebody, and I think it's one of your family members. That shit's sick. Yeah, if I get a hold of her before you do, I don't know what I might do. Yep, I'll be there soon. I'm so upset right now, honestly, babe. Like, I don't even know what to do. Like, how could she do that? Especially with one of his own family members. That shit's fucking disgusting.
Nah, just don't get yourself in trouble. That's their family, and you let them sort it out.
Yeah, you would say something like that.
It's their affairs.
I guess you're right. Let bygones be bygones, huh?
You know, so many rumors. I hear you're sleeping with your sister's man, David.
Okay.
That's your husband's cousin.
Okay. And I'm sleeping with you, and I'm sleeping with the next door neighbor, and I'm sleeping with every damn body.
But it's your baby.
Well, it is. You're the only guy I've been. My husband been away.
If you don't know who the father is, you might not want to keep the
But I
child.
did not tell you I didn't know who the father was. I said it's yours. You're the only one I've been with.
You come to me direct, I take care of me and mine. Unless you got a death wish, you don't need to have that child.
And what do you mean death wish?
You know how Rachel is.
Well, obviously she's not that serious if I was in her bed.
No, I'm going to leave you right there with that.
What's really going on?
What do you mean?
I'm hearing a lot of rumors, and I'm trying my best not to believe them. So is it true?
What? Stop being around the corner.
Are you sleeping with him?
Sleeping with who?
My cousin, your sister's man?
Are you serious? Why would you even ask me something stupid like that? So you think I'm sleeping with your cousin?
Yeah. That's the word around town.
I'm your wife. Why would you even think? I mean, it's us against the world. You believe in what other people saying?
Question is, can I even trust you?
Why can't you? What have I done to you for you not to be?
Do you
like,
remember who I was before you met me? Before you really met me?
Okay.
You remember what I'm capable of?
Okay.
Let me find out there's some truth. And the both of y'all gonna miss him.
First of all, you're not gonna threaten me. And if I go missing, that means your baby go missing, which means I'm pregnant. And I was gonna surprise you at our dinner tonight, but since you want to be nasty like this, I'm done. I'm pregnant for your baby.
It might not be my baby.
Okay.
I catch all three of y'all. You know what? It's whatever. Like I said, don't let me find out this ain't the truth. I'm watching the house for Auntie Obi. Kick rocks.
Well, it is your baby. If you don't want to help me take care of the baby, so be it. Another man will. I'm done. I can't argue with you.
You're right. If it's not mine, another man will. The daddy. And like I said, if it's truth, hell on the hit list.
You don't worry about nobody but yourself.
Kick rocks.
Okay, whatever. I can't stand him. That's why I'm cheating on him now. That's why I'm gonna get his money, his cousin money, Jay's money. Shit, I'm cheating on all of them. And he don't even know that I'm running his business. I got all his people working for me. He gonna take care of this baby one next to the other. Never liked my sister Nikki anyways. She always had the best life. She was always the favorite. And that's why I'm gonna take her man. And that's why I'm having her man's baby. Stupid. I'm tired of all of them. It's all about me now, bitch.
So I gotta check you about something. What's up, by the way?
What's up? Right?
Yeah, I'm straight. So I'm gonna just cut to the point. Your wife, she's been hoeing around. She's pregnant by our cousin David.
Yeah, I just suspected that.
What do you want to do about it? Most definitely breaking first, because honestly, that's some sly shit. That's some nasty shit. Who can even do that? Are you okay with that? Or are you gonna make a point?
You see how calm I am?
Are you coming back to Atlanta? Are you coming back to Atlanta?
You forget what it meant.
All right, if you're gonna play about it, then I don't even want to hear nothing. Honestly, you're playing about it.
Do you forget what it meant when I play calm in situations like this? It means I have it under control. Once I find out the baby's not mine, I'm off with all three of them. Simple.
I'm ready to off everybody right now. This is an easy job. You're making it hard. You're making it complicated.
Nah, I want to make sure we don't get touched back from it.
Nobody can touch me, you know.
And
I live in Atlanta. We don't play that.
And that's where we all fuck up when we believe we're untouchable. Stop that mind.
You're right.
Turn it the other direction, and we gonna keep it pushing.
All right, well, let's go grab something to eat really quick and talk about this further.
All right,
let's get a drink.
You know no story, faking love, no faking love. You know no story, faking love, no faking love. You know no story, faking love, no faking love. This time no story, faking love. This time no story. Aye, sometimes I beg and plead, not because I am wrong and weak, but because who love me a plea, who make I weep. You know no story.
But this shit that I've been hearing around that your cousin sleeping with Sinderella, I don't know what's up with that. Like, what?
Hold on. What you said?
That's what I heard. That niggas cousin sleeping with Sinderella.
That ass.
That's what I'm hearing. I don't know that for a fact, but like, what we gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it? What can we do about it?
Where you heard this at?
The neighborhood talking that shit. You know what I'm saying? So
anybody with status?
Well, I can't really tell you this, but this is what I'm hearing.
You know what? Bump all that. Let's go straight to the source.
Bet.
All right, let's go.
Got going on, man? What y'all got going?
So what's up, bro?
Shit, chillin', man. You know, they out here.
We family, right?
Yeah.
What's this I'm hearing about you and Sinderella?
Man, come on, man. You know better than that, man. Don't come like that. No, but how'd you try me like that out of all people, bit out?
What you mean, man? Ain't nobody safe.
But shit, but shit, didn't me though. I'm fam, nigga. I don't
Man,
play
we
that
grew up
shit.
together. How the fuck you think I'm gonna try you like that, man? You know better than that, man. Come on, this is a little one, man. You know better than that, man.
Man, you know the code where we from, man. Ain't none of that matter.
No, man. Come on, bro.
Hey, man, y'all gotta back up from here, man.
Man, for real.
I don't even know you, but you
You
just
want
back
no
off,
time
bro.
like that, man.
You in my territory, bro.
Right.
It could go wherever y'all want it to go. It could go wherever y'all want it to
better
go.
move on that side,
You know
piece.
this already, man. Y'all better go on down with that, man.
Man, what you trying to
Nigga,
do,
go holler
boy?
at your source and talk about some real stuff, man. Cause you know better than that, man. Nigga, we been doing this, man. Nigga sleeping in the bed and all this, nigga. Little boy, man. You know better than that. Better than that, man. Come on out here.
Man, we grown, man.
Bro, y'all want no problem, bro. You come at me with some stuff like that, bro. It get ugly real quick, dog. It get ugly real quick, dog. That's for real.
Don't worry about it.
I'm just letting you know. Yeah, all right. Know that. I'm here. You know we at, man. Same way you just found, though. We still right here. Right here when you get done.
All right, bet.
I heard your man is messing with somebody, eh? Oh, Nikki, oh. I heard your husband is sleeping around.
I heard my husband sleeping around with you.
Oh, who you heard that from?
I'm not going to tell you.
Why not? You my sister.
Yes, but I heard you sleeping with him.
You betray me.
You betray me. You sleeping with him and everybody else.
Maybe if you take care of your responsibility at home.
I take care of my responsibility
I
at
have
home.
a husband and I am pregnant.
Pregnant by who?
All the foolishness are coming out of her mouth.
It's not foolishness.
Huh? You're here in America and making all
Do
this
you hear
noise.
the foolishness that's
You
coming out of her
Jezebel?
mouth?
You Jezebel?
She's sleeping with my man.
What?
And then she's sleeping with the
Oh,
other
uncle,
guy,
you know I want to do such a thing.
I know she's pregnant. She don't even know who it's for.
For my husband.
Hey!
You telling me that you're sleeping with another man?
But she's sleeping with the next door neighbor.
Not me. Not me.
Every day she's coming out of the house.
I am ashamed of you.
I am ashamed of her.
I'm ashamed of you.
I am not so what is the problem?
So we can do this shit.
You
everybody coming up today. I feel so. I don't know where to begin. I don't know.
have to cry.
You don't understand. My sins have caught up with me now. Jordan and Sinderella, I have to tell you something. My children.
What is it, mother?
What's about
You know I love you like a daughter and I love you like a son. I don't like the Just listen up. Obi, I don't know what it's all about. Don't you sit there and act like you don't know what it's all about.
I don't know.
What is this going on in my house?
It's not my fault.
You asked the meeting.
It's his fault.
I pay child support. No child support, so ain't my fault.
Let me tell you. Okay. Now, Sinderella, I have a confession to tell you. I don't know how you're going to take it. And Jordan, I don't know how you're going to take it. But you see, when I was younger, my parents done something It was out of my hands. It was out of my hands. You two know what's going on.
But why you come to us now? Why you come to us now? You are not put us in this. No. We have nothing to do with this.
You have all to do with this.
All right.
Because you keep your ass quiet. Because you were embarrassed. You were embarrassed.
No. No.
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
That is not your mother. She was barren.
That is my mother.
I am your mother.
What is about it? What is like that? Why you like her now?
I am your I will need you to listen to me.
I am your father. I'm not your father.
Oh, Jesus.
I am not your father.
What is this? What is this? How can you bring us to tell us this? Oh God, listen out. Everybody needs to leave us alone.
Hold on. Leave my husband alone. Too much chaos. Just hear me out. I was 16 and 17.
Oh, you need to
when your
this is not right.
So-called uncle father.
This is not right.
Impregnate
you
me.
He's my father.
I am your father.
I am your mother.
Oh, Jesus.
You are my son.
Oh, Lord. We do not deserve this. We do not deserve this. He is my brother. Stay there. I help you. You do not deserve this. We do not deserve this.
Hey, you barren woman.
You turn on me. You know. I am your
I gave you a child. I gave you a child.
This is wrong.
One at a time. Calm down.
No. You are my son.
Just sit down, son.
You are my son.
He's not your son. I gave him to you.
You are my son.
You
my
son. He is my son.
You my child.
That's my son.
Where you are these years, this is my son.
That's my son.
That's my child.
I never sleep with you.
No. But I raised him from my home. That's right.
And this is my baby daddy.
What she's talking
this
about.
is my baby daddy. And these are our children. Are we taking back what's right from ours?
Exactly.
After all these years, this time I raised and you, and a whore.
I was doing you a favor. Hold on. I was doing both of you a favor because you was barren. You couldn't have children. And this one,
I raised your child.
Took my child from me because I was young.
That is a lie.
It is a truth.
That is a lie. Listen, my son. My son is a lie. It's a lie.
Well, DNA shows.
Cinderella, you my child.
Hold on a minute. I got the person to prove everything.
No joke. Yeah, Mr. Vank again. What a wicked world. Oh no. Be a man no be easy. Keep pushing what you believe in. Cause the Father now you not deceiving. Same God when you know not forsaking. Oh Lord, you depend them. Because them things and me not go reach them. See me success now you the shock them.
Records show that I'm from the doctor's agency, and records show that you are Auntie Obi.
Hey!
That makes you brother and sister.
No, you pay her off.
Brother and sister.
You pay her off.
I paid her off with what?
You pay her off.
No.
I paid her off with what?
I don't believe this.
You pay her off.
You don't believe?
Mother, you had lied to me and all these years.
You know me not lie to you.
I love you.
Hey, save your tears. Save them.
Me don't understand this.
You don't understand? You was barren. I helped you and give you a child.
You don't lie.
And you were supposed to give back my child to me when she reached her age.
You evil? You the devil?
Hey, no. No voodoo in his house.
Only God can reign.
Exactly.
Son, Jordan, you are quiet. So what are you going to do now? Because your wife is pregnant.
You are king like
I
your
am
father.
pregnant for you. What are you going to do?
You are king like your father. Stand up like a lion.
was him talking to your friend at me?
Yeah, I've been talking to him, and we confronted them guys the other day. He said he ain't really smashing. So, but I'ma still tell my mans, I'ma still, see how my man feel about it. And however he feel about it, that's how we gonna resolve the situation.
Yeah, because we somehow, ended up confronting her also, and it just didn't come out really good. We ended up having an altercation. Oh, look who's there.
Oh,
we should go and confront them.
I said the other day.
Come on. Hi.
Yo, what's oh?
How are you?
I'm good, man. How are you?
My brother.
What? What's up?
All right.
What's up?
It's good to see you again after the altercation that we had
bro,
with the girl.
Coming at me about something you don't know about, bro. Stop that.
You said
what about what about that? So that.
What you talking about?
Why are you stepping up to him like that? You acting like you just wasn't in my bed a couple months ago. You wasn't worried about your best friend at the time.
Damn.
He worried about me. He worried about me.
I don't even remember.
He worried about me though.
No, don't
Y'all
be acting
like
because
that.
you
Man,
have
come
your
on,
whole
man.
woman right standing here.
That's why you coming at me
Don't
like
do
that.
all of that. You were just in my bed not too long ago.
Excuse me.
Oh man.
What is she talking about? You're supposed to be with your best friend. You're supposed to be always in your best friend's back helping him, and now you're sleeping with her?
Exactly.
You're very lucky that you're pregnant and I'm not going to touch you.
And you ain't gonna do nothing.
And
I can tell you that.
For all I know could that be your child? It's gonna be over if this child ends up being yours and you sleeping around talking about that shit. I don't care if it's a lie. At this point, she's saying this, Deuce. This is gonna be over. Okay? I don't want nothing to do with you anymore. Yes, I'm very serious right now.
Right.
You are out of my life.
Are you serious?
Yes. Yes, I'm very serious. It's over.
You hear about Sinderella?
Yeah.
I heard that she's sleeping with my man. And she also sleeping with the other guy too?
Yeah, my cousin.
Oh my gosh.
Bruce.
And now she's supposed to be pregnant. I don't think it's for you. And it
More
might be
likely-
others too.
More likely it's not.
What you going to do?
I ain't worried about that right now. What you trying to work with?
Oh, nothing no more. One time we did it and that's it.
You know you like this.
No, I gotta stop.
You said that last
Because this is
time.
just too much.
You said that last time. I'm having fun. That's all. There's a little bit of fun, a little creativity.
I am not.
I don't do that kind of shit, bro. You should know me better than that already. Come at me like that.
You know what? I'm gonna keep it a stack. I found out she my sister.
What?
Come to find out as well, she my homie's baby mother because he the one that got her knocked out.
And you coming at me?
Big G, I'm a man. I can say when I'm wrong, dog. Keep it a stack.
It's good though, man. But come on, man. You fam. You know you always supposed to keep it real fam.
All right, man. Well, let's take it, man.
Hell yeah.